Hello everyone, this is Kakuru Benard. Today I'm taking you through desktop publishing, and so we are going to look at how to design such a number in desktop publishing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos as they will be loading. So as usual, I will begin by creating a folder. So my folder can be called practical. I open my folder. Inside I right click, I go to new, and I choose Microsoft Publisher document. And so this document, I can give it my name, say Benny, and I enter twice to open. So once publisher opens, the question says using any publication software of your choice, create the document below as it appears and save it as your personal number. I saved it as my name. Then set the page to landscape orientation and in A4 paper size. So here we are going to set our page. So go to page design, orientation, landscape, and so size we choose A4. So this is where we are going to design our document from. So from here, this is what we have. So to begin with, we shall first have this outside text box. So from here, you go to insert, shapes, pick a text box, then you draw it there of that size. So after drawing this text box, you can see it has a thick border. So you are going to click on your text box, you right click on it and say format text box. So from this section, we are going to increase its border width. So you can choose something like that. Then weight, increase it. Yes, repeat is enough. And so that is our outside border. In case it is not enough, it's up to you to increase the size so that it is large enough. Okay, if I have 5 pt, and so that is our outside border. So from there, we shall need this line. So in our text border, we need to first write this word. So we shall need to write that text. So here, you can write network topology. With an exclamation mark. So you can highlight this, put it to center, increase font size. Yes, that font size can be enough. You can even bold it. And so there we are. So we have designed that. Then we can put a line after designing that. We go to insert, shapes, lines. Then you can have a line drawn there. So after drawing that line, make sure it is straight. So come to format, shape outline, come to weight. You can choose something to do with that. So after making it that way, so after drawing your line, you should adjust to make sure that it is really a straight line. So after having drawn that line, then we have this rectangle, this with star, bus and ring topology. So from there, we still go to insert, shapes, pick this rectangle, you draw it there. So after drawing it, you right click and choose add text. Go to home tab, increase font size. This can be enough, so that here you have words to do with bus, star and ring. So you can have bus, topology, press tab again. Around there you have star, topology, press tab, so that there we have ring, topology. And in case it doesn't fit, you can try to maximize, try to create space. You highlight the content, bold it. Even increasing font size has no problem. So this one around there. This you can reduce size. You can go to format tab, around there, shape outline, come to weight and increase it around there. And so the text can be adjusted very well so that it fits within. So this is where we are. And so from there we shall need to draw these rounded rectangles with these arrows. So from there we can have these rounded rectangles below these subheadings. So under insert shapes, you pick a rounded rectangle and then you draw that rounded rectangle around that space. So go format, shape outline, weight, pick around 4.5. You can draw another text box around there. You draw another text box around there. So divide them and make sure that they are equally distributed in their respective places. Something to do with that. Hope we are together. Try to have a clear design of your structure. So from there, yes, there we are. So we can have these arrows on top of our image. So still under insert, you can bring shapes and you have an arrow there. This arrow, you got shape outline and then you increase the width like that. You can have another arrow there, draw another arrow there, but generally adjust them to make sure that they are fitting in the design that you have been asked. So this one is pointing like that, so you can extend it there and make sure it is clear. So those are the arrows pointing there. And next we have search decision auto shapes. So still under insert shapes, bring this diamond, click on diamond, then you draw there, have it like that drawn. So after drawing this, you can have another one there. So here you right click, add text, you put figure 1, you can highlight it, you go home tab, increase size, yes, you put it to center, you bold it, yes, something like that, put it to real center, and then here you right click also, add text, put figure 2, highlight it, increase font size to around that, put it center. You can also format it to align center, so that we have something of that nature. Then from there we have a line there, a line there, a line there. Okay, so here we can go still insert shapes, line, you draw a line around there. This line increase its font, its weight, shape outline, weight around that size. So you can have the same line drawn there. You can draw the same line there. Yes. So that is our image. And then when you look at the instructions, they are telling us that to insert text from the file topologies.doc into the appropriate auto shapes. Okay, so you can now look for support files. Support files are there. So open support files. And so once you have opened support files, inside we need a file called topologies. So here look for topologies. You open topologies, and so we copy content below bus topology. You bring and paste around here, right click, add text, you put the content there. You can highlight it and expand font size a little bit, 16 or 18, 16 is enough. Then here, go to Word, select content under star, copy. After copying, come to publisher, right click here, add text, paste there, select that text, increase font size around that size, even think around 16. So even here, go to Word, copy content under ring, you come to publisher, right click there, add text, you paste the content, highlight it and change font size, yes, around that. So next on our instruction is that you can close topologies. Next on our instruction is that insert respective images in the text in the auto shapes. Bus topology image in the left text box. So we are going to look for images. So we go under insert, picture, desktop on the left side, then support files, and then double click images. So from here we are going to look for the bus topology. So we should look for bus topology. So from our images, we need a bus topology, which is here. And so reduce this image, reduce it, you bring it at the bottom here, and make sure it is smaller so that it can fit within the space that you left there. Then here we need a star topology. We go insert picture. So from here we need a star topology image. This can work, star. So also reduce it, make it smaller, and make sure that it can go in the space that we left here. Reduce it, make it fit. Yes, this line can be moved up a bit so that that image fits there properly. Even there, in case you still have space above, so that that image goes up a bit. Even that line can be moved up. Here we are going to insert a ring topology, insert picture. So from these images, look for ring. In case you don't have these support files, please contact me for these support files. ring. My telephone numbers are indicated there. So reduce the image so that it can fit in the space which you left this side. So something like that. So you have to play around with the mouse and the keyboard so that you produce what is required. Okay. So next on the instruction is that we now fill rounded shapes with their title rectangle shape with an orange color. So that here we are going to click these rounded rectangles. You click on them, you can go to format, come to fill shape, you choose orange, even this orange, click there, orange, and then this title rectangle also with orange. So after filling them with that color, what next? And the whole text box with a gold color. So here, this entire text box, we also need to go to format, fill with a gold color. So this is around here we have gold colors. You can choose a different one. For example, if I choose that, it is gold. And so next on the instruction, and then the major background color is marble. So outside here, this white space should be filled with marble. So under page design, page background, more background, then under texture, from here we need marble. So you have to play around and look for marble. So in case you can easily locate marble, the better. So these are the colors that we need, right? So that is marble. So this marble, click OK, and so that is the color behind. Next on instruction, that enhance the arrows connecting to auto shapes with a dark blue 4-point weight size. So these are the arrows. With these arrows, we can go to format, shape outline, dark blue. So that is the blue color. Also apply it there. Also apply it there. And then shape outline under size, weight. You can choose 4.5, but we need 4. So click more lines, under size. So from there you can play around and put the exact sizes. So under colors and lines, weight, you put 4, you click OK. Even here click shape outline, weight, come to more lines. So here leave it at 4, click OK. Even this shape outline, weight, more lines, reduce it also to 4, click OK. Save changes to your work. Next is insert the picture from the internet file.doc to the right of the title. Resize the picture to fit in the text box. So they want us to get a picture that we are going to insert around this place. So here, so we are going to open support files. Inside we look for internet.doc. This is the file. So when it opens, we are going to copy this picture, copy, and so we open publisher, we paste. We are going to reduce this size, this image, so that it can fit within here. So once you have brought that picture, resize it and make sure it is around there. So under wrap text, you can say inline with text, through, tight, etc. So if I choose none, it should be there. And so that marks the end of our number. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I remain Kakuru Benard.